Bobsley. My role is essentially insurance. I look after some of the company's accounts, pay the bills, pay for the lettings, and we're in the Ulverston office, which is the main office.
Yeah. You're at the hub of the organisation?
Yes, definitely.
So you're almost like the oracle?
I'm not. The office might be, but I'm not.
Okay, so first off, tell me how long you've been working here?
Be coming up 25 years. It's like a family. It's not like a workplace. I don't get up in the morning and dread coming to work, which a lot of people do. They look after you, which in turn speaks volumes, because the way they look after the staff is the way they look after the customers, which is the main thing.
What's made you stay for that amount of time?
I don't know. It's like a family. It is like a family. It doesn't feel like a workplace. It has its moments, but it's more like a family. General insurance, car insurance, house insurance, travel insurance, tradesmen, commercial businesses, all that sort of thing. It's predominantly the mainstay of the business, especially in the Ulverston office. We do pride ourselves on the fact that people come to us and stay, which is, I think old-fashioned values stand for a lot. New technology's brought in the internet, a lot of direct lines, a lot of competition with that. There's competition everywhere with the banks. You go to the supermarket, you get offered insurance. You go to Quick Fit, you get offered insurance. You go to the post office, you get offered insurance. People will try it, they get the cheap price, don't like the service, they come back. And that's generally what we find. I've got customers that have been customers of mine since the day I started, and they're still customers of mine. We did initially start with the 2 offices. We started in Millham, then we had one in Ulverston, which was a really small little office. It's a change for the better. We're moving, we're getting bigger, we're expanding, starting new areas with the cafe. Can only bring in customers, can only be a good thing. Yeah.
Well, I mainly focus on home insurance, car insurance, any general insurance that's even commercial insurance. We can look at travel insurance as well. A variety of different things, really. Well, what makes us different is we tend to keep ourselves quite knowledgeable with the area. The customers as well, when they come in, we try and make it as friendly and as comfortable as we can, really, and cater to what they really want, what their needs are overall, as opposed to just giving them a web page and just saying fill it in and we'll give you the cheapest. We tend to give the cheapest, but we want to also give the best cover. Local knowledge is key, really, because we can really focus on any area of Ulverston, of Barrow, of any surrounding villages. We can really get to know the house, the surrounding areas, if there's any lakes, rivers, anything running by that could cause any problems with insurance as well. We do like to make sure we keep in contact with the customers throughout the year. Any problems they have with the policy, with any covers they might have that's not quite right for them, and especially claims that they may have, we always tell them to come straight to us so we can make sure we can manage them from start to finish on the claim. They have no hiccups, they get the best payout and they get the best service overall. There's no niggles, there's nothing that really stresses them out overall about it all. So, with commercial businesses, we provide anything from just public liability only for tradesmen, electricians, builders that are self-employed. We can provide the basic cover there, right up to large companies that need shop insurance, they need contents, stock cover, anything like that. So our business interruption cover, which again is something that can be quite key for a larger company if they have any delays in trade or anything like that.
Right. I'm Ken. I run business KG Plumbing, which is supplying and fitting of kitchens, bathrooms, central heating systems, any gas appliances. I think they're just it's a very friendly atmosphere. All the staff that work there are always obliging and friendly, and it's run professionally, but like a family-run business. They'll do anything they can to get the policy that suits you and at the right price.
Yeah, see, with the cafe it's quite handy. Yeah, like I said, they can pop upstairs, they can tell us they want a quote for a certain car they're wanting to maybe look at buying a house to let or something like that. They can sit downstairs, we can get them a cup of tea or a scone or something like that. They can relax. We can pop down, give them the quote, bring them back up if we need to, if there's anything else to go over. But just the relaxing atmosphere of the cafe, where they can forget about certain aspects as well and just leave it to us to focus on and sort for them.